Okay, see Lindelof videos, analytic trigonometry, verifying IDs, number 23. Let me just say this to you for whoever your professor or teachers that gave you this does not like you, dude. This is horrible crap. But let's go ahead and do this. We'll work this out quickly. Let me see if I can walk us through this. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this out. So I'm going to do the binomial expansion, which means this is tan theta minus secant theta times tan theta secant theta, which should give us tan squared theta, right? Minus, was it 2 tan theta? 2 tan theta secant theta, secant theta. I'm just using FOIL here, right? Plus secant squared theta is the whole argument. And remember, this is a left-hand proof, which means we're going to work on the left side and convert it to the right, so we cannot touch the right side. We have to leave it just like it was. So is 1 plus sine theta. So I'm going to just keep working on this crap here. I guess I'll convert this. So I'll convert this to tan is sine, isn't it? Sine theta over cosine theta. Cosine theta squared, right? Minus 2. Tan theta is sine theta, isn't it? Cosine theta, and if you're wondering who I'm talking to myself, I apologize, times 1 over cosine theta, because 1 over cosine theta is secant theta. This is a multiplication sign. Plus, holy crap, 1 over cosine theta, that quantity squared is equal to this crap, 1 sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. Man, this problem is it's just, wow, it's a lot of crap. Okay, so what am I going to do? I guess I'll walk all this crap out and I'll get sine squared theta. I'm just going to distribute my exponents. So it's negative, 2 sine theta, isn't it? Sine theta over cosine squared theta. Cosine squared theta, right? I'll put this 2 at the top, I guess. This 2 is up here. It's in the numerator anyway, right? Plus 1 over oh, this is not bad. Cosine squared theta is equal to 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. Keep moving, right? Add all this stuff together, and we get, great, we have a common denominator, cosine squared, cosine squared, cosine squared, so we can add all this crap at the top. So we have sine squared theta minus 2 sine theta, it's not sine squared, right, plus 1 all over cosine squared theta is equal to, holy crap, 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta. Are you still with me at all? Is anybody out there anymore? Because God knows. If not, let me turn this off. It's killing me. Look. This is, I see. This is, right, this is sine theta minus 1 times sine theta minus 1. Why am I doing that? Because I'm looking at this right-hand side, and I'm like, how do I get this to this? So I'm trying to figure out how the hell am I going to get a 1 minus sine theta and a 1 plus sine theta. So look again, and we get this. We can trade in, right, Pythagorean theorem. We can trade this in for 1 minus sine squared theta is equal to 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. How am I doing? I'm doing all right? So what do we have here? This is difference of squares here, isn't it? So we have sine theta minus 1 at the top, sine theta minus 1 at the top. But look, at the bottom we have 1 minus sine theta times 1 plus sine theta. So 1 plus sine theta. I think what I'm going to do here is, what am I going to do here? Walk out a 1, right? So if this is really a pain in the ass. 1 minus sine theta again at the top. If you're still with me, I swear to God, can you just comment to me and say, hey, I actually was still with you. I didn't give up, because it'll be 5 years from now before I hear your voice. So thanks. So here I'm going to do negative, right? 1 minus sine theta. See if I'll show you what I'm doing in just 1 second. So don't leave me, please. Right? All over 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta, right, is 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. So look, this 1 minus sine theta and this one, they cross each other out, right? We have this negative sign here, don't we? We have, look, sine theta minus 1. Well, look what happens here. We have 1 plus sine theta at the bottom. 1 plus sine theta. Oh my God, it's going to work. 1 plus sine theta. So this 1 plus sine theta is this one. That's cool. That worked out. Like, how the hell do I get this back? Well, if you multiply this back in on the left-hand side there while I'm writing this out. My handwriting went to hell, didn't it? If I multiply this back in, I get negative sine theta plus 1. Otherwise, it's known as 1 minus, holy crap, it worked, minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta. So we have, right, reflexively, we have a match, and that's what I would claim here to my professor, that this is a reflexive identity. Holy goodness. I hope this helped you, and this was a question you were looking for. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. And if you haven't already subscribed, my God, if you got this far through the video, please subscribe.